Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and good selection of most demanding women stylish and beautiful crochet fingerless gloves designs, beautiful designing ideas, new latest designs. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women stylish and beautiful crochet fingerless gloves designs. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos, you can wear these very beautiful gloves designs in the birthday party or wedding party. With matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, buttons, beautiful color combination contrasts. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of fingerless gloves designs. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful woman crochet fingerless gloves designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. See beautiful designing ideas. In this way, you never miss my video collection. I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. You can easily carry, you can easily move with your beautiful and stylish crochet fingerless glove designs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.